Good morning. Let me roll my window up. Well, the sun was. Y'all. So I'm getting ready for class this morning. Or school this morning. And oh my God. The power starts going off. Like mid getting ready. So I can't see shit. Literally. Can't see a darn thing. So I'm like, okay, let me use the flashlight on the phone. But I'm like, do I really want to do that? Like, for real, for real. Like, do I really want to do that? No, I really don't. Anyway, so I'm in the midst of me, like, going to see, okay, do I have too many things plugged up? But I'm like, I have the normal, you know, my normal things that I usually have plugged up all the time, plugged up. So I'm like, okay, let me see if anywhere else around the house has no lights. Like, let me go upstairs and see if there's no lights on. There's no lights on. So I'm like, okay, what am I gonna do now? And then as soon as I'm like literally thinking like, okay, what am I gonna do now? The lights come back on. So I'm like, okay, cool. Now I can finish getting ready. Now I'm on my way to class, further away from my house, and the lights, the street lights, the traffic lights are flickering. So heavy traffic, because you know you're supposed to treat it like a four-way stop at this point, and it has the audacity to be those lights it's like right in front of the school. So it's like you have no choice but to treat it like a four-way stop. Oh, so annoying. It's not like one of those streets where it's just straight, obviously, because it's a traffic light. It's gonna have some traffic, but that light, I like rarely ever see that light. And I know middle school, it's a middle school. In middle schools, they don't go to school until about I want to say like 9, 10 be they first, or they don't got to be in class till like 9:15, something like that. Anyway, it's crazy. Now I'm driving behind a student driver car, and it's 7:30, and I should be at the train station already. Needless to say, yeah, it's giving one of those we gonna be late to class again. Hopefully not. Let's pray and ask God not to. Jesus Christ. I shouldn't be swearing, but jeez Louise is lack of a better terms. Man, I just need to make it to the train station at a decent hour. That's all I'm praying for. Anyway, let me go on looking like somebody's auntie. And I love you all. And I'll see y'all later throughout the day. So right now, I am currently studying for a quiz for chemistry, and then I'm gonna teach you just put an assignment up. So now I'm about to go check to see what he is talking about. But I'm just chilling outside the library. It's very peaceful out here. I really have all my stuff on the table. It's really quite embarrassing. Or quite ridiculous, rather. I'm about to put my receipt on Fetch Rewards so I can get me a gift card. Oh yeah, so when I came to y'all earlier about me about to be late for class, I did end up being late. I was like 10 minutes late. However, got to the train station, realized I picked up the wrong Breeze card, so I had to, I was looking at my book bag, and the nice MARTA worker, he just let us through the gate freely. I'm like, praise God, won't he do it? I think y'all should know by now. I like the shaken espresso brown sugar, but it don't hit like Dunkin' Donuts brown sugar cold brew. hate having braces sometimes. It's like food all in my teeth, but I can't get it out because I also had oatmeal this morning. That's another thing. So I have a list that I usually make for all of my basic book bag necessities for school. I have hand sanitizer and Clorox wipes and all that other crazy stuff, but I need to get me like a on-the-go toothbrush and my little floss picks that I normally like to walk around with. Anyway, let me not bore y'all with my boredom. I'll see y'all later. Hey y'all, so I'm getting ready for school, but we just got a package. We just got a package. I wonder what's inside. Let me stop. Let's open it together. Super excited. Sent me some gift cards. Okay. We love us some wine. Okay. Oh my god, y'all, I'm super excited. Oh. As you can tell, some glasses that are in here. This glasses case is very cute. Look at me. Being a klutz, can't help myself. Oh my god, y'all. I think these are going to be super cute. And they secure these bad boys, you hear me? Okay, let's try them on. See if I like them. There's some sunglasses. Hey y'all, I'm back with another package. Oh, I didn't even show y'all, like, I didn't finish showing y'all what was really up. Let me prop y'all up. Let's do an unboxing. I'm gonna put the first clip because I had to go somewhere earlier today, which is why. Okay, so earlier I didn't come back to show y'all what all I got from the package that I opened because I had somewhere to go. So in it came a couple coupons. I got some coupons for Airwick, which I don't use. Some company called WSJ Wine. Apparently it's the top 12 refreshing rosés, and we love us some rosé, honey. We love us a good wine. Coupon. Okay. Save up to $130 plus 2 free Prosecco's and some glasses. Okay, we might need to see what they talk about, y'all. We'll probably just go try one of these wines one at a time, because y'all know. If y'all don't know, which I don't think y'all do, but I love wine. So I usually go to like Total Wine and buy like 4 or 5 bottles at a time. And I just pinch off of them one at a time. My receipt, of course. What I would assume is the authentication card. Yes, so these are Fendi glasses. Yes, so this is my identification card that I'm going to have to put the information on here. So if I do ever decide to sell these sunglasses, I may do so. Okay, so it comes in a case like this with the Fendi embroidery kind of logo inside. And a Fendi glasses cleaner cloth. And the glasses, I've already tried them on. I don't know if I like them just yet. I really probably would need to dress myself up to really see. I think they're cute, but cat eye has never been my thing. But y'all let me know if y'all think these are cute or not. What y'all think, let me know. like I said, if I don't ever decide to wear them, it's really another frame that I was going for that similar to these, but it doesn't have the cat eye. It really is more like squared, if that makes sense. But they're also very similar to this. But the other ones, I've already tried them on and I know that they look good on me. They just didn't have any in stock, so I had to go with these. Yeah, these glasses, I'm gonna tell y'all how much I paid for them versus, because we always go for a cheaper option, or I wouldn't even say cheaper, I like to say bargaining. Dang, this one doesn't even have the price. But my receipt, I'm looking at my receipt. These pair of sunglasses were originally, yeah, so if I don't like them, I'm gonna, you know, get dressed really nice this weekend, because my birthday is coming up next Wednesday, September 7th. If y'all didn't know, your girl is a Virgo, okay, period. So it's our season, and it's definitely here. We're not approaching anymore, we're here. But yes, so I have my authentication. If I don't like them, I will possibly send them back. I don't know, I'm gonna try them out this weekend, and if they really just don't sit right with me, they will be going back. But I got these sunglasses, are originally priced at about $550 or $560, somewhere in between there, and I got them for 90 bucks. Yeah, so I think they're really cute, but I just don't know if they're cute for me, if they suit me. But like I said, I'm gonna get dressed up this weekend to see. And the last package that I got for today, some vitamins, y'all. If y'all don't know, I suffer really bad from hormonal acne. So, how to flow. PMS sucks, man. It really does. So this is the item that I purchased, the Flow Gummy Vitamins. And it says you have to take these for a total of 30 days. So 60 vitamins in here, and serving size is 2. It has chasteberry extract, lemon balm, angelica root, also known as dang qua or quai. Anyway, these vitamins are supposed to help with hormonal acne, cramps, bloating, mood swings. So I am super excited. They're cruelty-free, non-GMO, gluten-free, and vegan-friendly. And they're supposed to help with those 4 things. So I was like, let's give them a shot, because we're suffering over here. And apparently, in order to see full results, to start your journey, it says check the bubbles off daily to track your progress. This is cool. I love this. I wish it wasn't crushed, but it is what it is. It says track your start your flow journey. Check the bubbles off daily to track your progress. Week 1, let's get started. Take 2 gummies a day. Week 2, stick to a routine for best results. Week 3, full results can take 2 to 3 months. May see some of them sooner. Week 4 says you're almost done with your first bottle. Stay stocked. Week 5 says 1 month done. You deserve to feel your best. Week 6 says keep it up. You'll thank yourself later. Week 7 says running low on flow. Make sure you stay stocked. Week 8 says you finished 2 months. Keep taking flow 2 a day. Remember, consistency is key. Be sure that taking 2 flows. Hold on, let me read this correctly. Be sure to keep taking 2 flow a day, every day. Okay. So yes, I'm super excited, and it says scan this QR code and shop and use the code to get 20% off your first bottle of a new subscription. Subscribe to Flow if you haven't already, and try our wellness products. So, you know, let me know if y'all are interested. I mean, I'm gonna be taking y'all on this journey with me as I try them. I'm actually about to pop 2 of them in my mouth now. I really wanted to wait until the 1st of September to really try it, because today is only the 30th. But honey, I'm sick of my skin looking like this. I need the results now. So let's see. Dang. There we go. That was very hard. Comes with a seal and it hasn't been broken. They smell good. They smell really good for some gummies. Okay, so let me tell y'all why I particularly went for the gummies, because they also have the pills, and I didn't want the added sugar that it comes with in a gummy, and I think it's 3 grams. Yeah, 3 grams of added sugar in this. And I didn't want to go for the gummies. However, when I looked at the comparison between the gummies and the actual capsules that they have, the gummies had more of the essential ingredients of the herbal blend that's in here to help with the PMS, I guess. So I was like, yeah, I'm gonna go for the gummies versus the capsules, because it had more like milligrams of each item of the chasteberry, the lemon balm, and the Dong Quai or Quai, however you say it. So I said I'm gonna opt for the gummies, which is why I went for it. So let's try it. Let's see. They're actually good for some gummies. And they're not super gummy. Okay. Yeah, they're not bad. Kind of dissolves a little bit as you chew. It's not super gummy, because I'm assuming because it's gluten-free and all of that, it doesn't have, and vegan, it doesn't have gelatin to hold it together. So as you're kind of chewing, it's very kind of melting a little bit. But it's still a gummy texture, if that makes sense. But yes, so stay tuned for this journey with me with taking these vitamins, and we'll see where it takes us. I didn't do much today. So remember, I told you all earlier I was going off to class. Come to find out, my teacher canceled class. So I've really been in the house doing nothing, which is why I haven't been vlogging today. So I am about to really go take a shower after I mop and clean. I'm actually gonna mop my bathroom, but I'm gonna wait till I do that after I come out the shower. So I'm about to go do that, and then I will see you all later. I've been talking for about 12 minutes now. I love you all. Peace.